Welcome to the world of Python. Python is like a friendly helper who speaks your language. Well, almost. It's a computer language. That means we can write instructions for the computer to follow, just like a recipe. Python is great for games because it's easy to learn and can do lots of cool things. Why is Python a good choice for making games? It's simple. Python's commands are clear. Think of it like building with Legos. Each block has a purpose, and you put them together to make something awesome. What kinds of games can you make with Python? You can make all sorts. From simple guessing games to more complex adventures, Python can handle it. As you learn more, you can add graphics and sounds to make your game super cool. The best part? You're about to start your game-making journey. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need a place to write our Python code. This place is called an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Don't worry about the fancy name. Think of it as your coding playground. There are many free IDEs available online. A popular choice is called Thonny. You can easily download and install it on your computer. Just search for Thonny download on the internet and you'll find it. Once you have Thonny installed, open it up. You should see a blank space where you can write your code. This is called the editor. Now you're ready to write some Python. Let's create a simple game where the computer thinks of a number and you have to guess it. Here's how we can do it. First, we need to import a special tool from Python's toolbox. It's called Random and helps us generate random numbers. Type the following at the top of your editor, import random. Now let's ask the computer to pick a random number between 1 and 100 and store it secretly, secret_number, =random.randint, 100. Next, we need to ask the player to guess the number. We can use the function to do this. Let's ask the player for their guess and store it in a variable guess, =int input, guess a number between 1 and 100. We use to convert the player's guess into a number. Now let's compare the player's guess with the secret number if guess =sign secret_number. Print, congratulations, you guessed it. Else print, the number was secret_number. This code checks if the guess is correct. If it is, it prints a congratulatory message. Otherwise, it reveals the secret number. Congratulations, you've just created your first Python game. It may seem simple, but it's a huge step. You've learned how to use Python to make the computer do what you want. Now, it's your turn to explore. What if you give the player multiple tries to guess the number? Or maybe you can add hints like too high or too low. Python is like a box of Legos. You can build anything you can imagine. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you code, the better you'll become. So keep practicing and most importantly, have fun.